don't have strength. I will drop you. I'm laughing.
Especially, say, I will stand by you forever.
It's my Sonia.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So how you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. So guys, hope you said I should dress up. Let's go out. And yes, this is me dressing up. So I'm just wearing just this my simple. Oh my god, I don't use powder stain my clothes here. I need to go and look for where and clean this. Anyways, this is the beginning of another beautiful vlog. So let me just show you guys what I'm wearing. Then I'll say whatever I want to say. Okay. So guys, this is what I'm wearing. My crazy chain. This is back. It's okay. So this is what hubby is wearing. Maybe say hi. Why are you doing tango face like that? So we are on crazy jeans today, guys. Anyways, we need to start going. Like, no, like on the white color side, like my hand touched it. Okay.
All the money you fast, can you say yeah? Anybody want to every man you my son executive. It's one of the best when it comes to music, sir. That's the second is one time. You want because of the 200 you gave to me. You know you gave me 200. No, I received on television. Yes. Do you know me before? No, sir. How do you see your life? How do you see your finance? I'm the supreme head in the whole world. No, I don't mean your juju. Have I lost my mind? Wanna keep your hands tonight and be your hero, baby. It's another side, and I can keep some especially. Say, I will stand by you forever. Say, my brother, we have music there. Let's ride. Please stop me. I want to die. Follow what you know. You'll tonight. Ooh, baby.
No, this.
5, 6.
No, this. Don't want you have them.
6, 7, and they switch it from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now the answer here, it go be like say you know too home. No wala. 14, 15. Oga Igbo, even you. Oga Mami, even you. I don't.
It's like finally, I'm checking. So, oh my god. I think that's what I will be back. I'll check on Monday. That's tomorrow evening. I'll come back on Thursday.
When you get
That's the boss. You hit your leg here. See, you hit your leg. Yeah, I'm telling you, you hit your leg. You will hit that here or here now. I don't have strength, crazy. I will drop you. I'm laughing.
Sorry. Go me very fast.
You should know. Thank you.
Is that you?
Hey Jesus. My baby.
My bobo.
This your hair is fine.
Like it?
Yeah. It's looking like the other one. There's one. What? Which one? There's one. Oh, is it this one?
No, this one is new.
You know I want to sleep.
Yeah, I want to sleep. I tried.
But I need to do something before the final sleep.
What's that?
I guess I need to polish my shoe. I need to do very early.
You have to do it
I need to polish my shoe.
this night.
Yes. I'll do it very early, but I need to get to the office. Why am I push? This push. Go.
Have you checked my status?
I'll check it for the thing.
See the one that throw stuff on.
Why did you put this night?
My camera.
So put it like this.
Have you all the ones if you please send it for me via WhatsApp, please?
Hmm?
Send it for me via WhatsApp.
What's
Please
that?
delete them. All the ones you did.
Don't say it.
The one that came with your phone, yes.
Oh,
Everything.
you
I like this picture. Eh? Ha! This
Eh?
picture.
This one. This one is this one. No, this one.
Why you do?
This one is not. I didn't even see this one. You took me on away.
Yeah, I was thinking on the way.
Yes.
So hi guys, welcome back again to the vlog. Anyways guys, I thought I should just come round up this vlog, but before I'll do that, let me just say something that I saw when I was going. Oh, we're going, I saw a madman and a mad woman, like they were sitting together, eating together. You know, the amazing part of it is that the madman was feeding the mad woman. I was showing my baby was just laughing. I was like, God, love have no boundary. I wish I'm not inside the car. I would have just filmed a very good content with them. One thing that I would have just been scared of is maybe going close to them and then shouting at me or reacting to me, stuff like that. Because me like this, I dey fear madman and mad woman where. So when I saw that, I was like, this love not be only people will get sense. So let me tell you guys where the mad woman and the madman is. In case you're in Port Harcourt, they are in that Elios roundabout. Okay, this is the first time I'm actually seeing them like that. I think the one I saw last time, a man and a woman, that time the madman was pregnant or stuff like that. So after that time I didn't see them again. I think after her delivery or so, I didn't see them again. Right now I'm not seeing another different madman and madman, that Elios roundabout. Anyways, that's by the way. So I had a lot of fun today. That's just the truth, the absolute truth. I had a lot of fun because I get to see my best live band guy, Chidubem. I remember when I was still dating, when me and my husband were dating, which one is when I was still dating? When me and my husband were dating, and we do go to show with Chidubem, you guys get. Then I was still in the business of learning my trumpet, like how to play trumpet and the rest of that, and my husband was the one teaching me. And so we go to show, like we go to live band show, Higi Haga. If you guys know where Higi Haga is in Port Harcourt, like different places I can't even mention. Okay, so seeing him after every seeing him again, it was so nice. And he was just like, oh, this song is for Sandava's wife, this song is for so this song is for the heli was just for, you can't make all the whole attention were just on me. This crowd, all the whole crowd attention were just on me, and I'm so happy. And you guys already saw that I told my baby thank you so much. I really do appreciate, like, it's so nice marrying this guy. Okay, a guy that will allow you to do anything you want to do, a guy that respects your opinion, a guy that is your best friend, a guy that understands you. Like, I don't even know how to explain or how else I can describe my husband. Hey, big head, not because you are here, let your head not be big. Yeah, your name is Big Head.
No, I'm not showing you your screen.
See, you're showing me my screen. See you here. Then you're the one I'm calling Big Head. Anyways, it's a privilege to have this man as my husband, and I'm so grateful to God. So this is one of the fun I had today, and I decided to like share with you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, let me know what my hair is giving. This is the first time I'm wearing this hair, guys. This is the first time, and my husband is loving it. He said he really loves it. I think I'll be going more for straight hair as well. I don't know. But he really liked this one. I love this one too. The texture and everything is just giving that big girl vibes, that big woman vibe, stuff like that. Anyways, subscribe, like, comment, and share so that every other person to get this good news. And yeah, with no further ado, I do like all of my videos. I'm going to be Simba, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.